Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of a Toyota Yaris Hybrid. This one comes from 2021 and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Let's start right away. First of all, we're going to use this area over here. Press the menu button, then go to setup and you see the language area. Language, let's say Dutch. Press it and you'll see that this area and also this area is now changed to the language, the Dutch language. Go back, menu, and find English again. English, and all the menus are now changed to English. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.